What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm breaking down one of the cleanest penny setups on the market right now, and that's ticker symbol ABP. If you haven't seen the last video I dropped on ABP, pause this one and go check it out first. It sets the stage for everything we're diving into today. Don't worry, I'll be right here when you're back.
Instead, you go with Jimmy.
Yeah, you come with me when we're down there, okay?
Have a good time. Take some time for yourself. Relax. Sit in the sun. Take a couple of days off.
Overtime.
Enjoy yourself.
If you've been following me in the Discord, you already know we've been all over this before the breakout even started. But I wanted to make sure some of you guys that's watching on YouTube got a real opportunity to catch something good for once. Can't keep it all to myself, so let's talk levels, let's talk scaling, and let's talk how to swing pennies with precision. All right, so here's what you're looking at on the screen. We had months of consolidation forming a beautiful descending wedge pattern, classic accumulation. Price was getting squeezed tighter and tighter, and right here you can see it broke out of this wedge with volume confirmation. Now the breakout level I was watching closely was around this 22.5 level. We cracked through that, and now we're holding above 24 cents. That's the key. This 24 to 25 cent zone is our new base, and if we hold this, the momentum can build fast. Our next big target, that's the 30 cents to 33 cents range. But if volume ramps, this has the potential to push all the way into 38 to 42 cent zone short term. Over time, possibly even 50 cents plus, but don't let the small numbers fool you. That is a 50 to 100% run from here. And let me be real with you guys, these are the type of plays most people miss because they look boring during consolidation. But this is where smart money starts scaling in, the risk is lower, and the reward potential is huge. By the time retail jumps in, the stock's already half gone. This setup isn't random. It's about patience, it's about timing, and that's how you swing pennies the right way. When it comes to penny stocks, the rules change. You're not chasing 2% gains. You're looking for multi-day or multi-week breakouts that can return, once again, 50 to 100% or more. But you need patience and planning. First, don't throw your whole position in on one day. Let the chart form. Look for patterns like wedges, double bottoms, or strong consolidation like this. Second, respect your levels. Breakout levels are your triggers. If price is above with volume, that's your green light. And third, never underestimate volume. Volume is the fuel to these penny stocks. If there's no gas, that car isn't going anywhere. This is where most people mess up. They go all in too early. But me personally, I like to scale in a small chunk before we were seeing volume near that breakout and signs of strength. People in the Discord understand this, but I'm talking directly to you guys that's not in the Discord.
Excuse me, everyone. Sex! Now that I have your attention.
You don't have our attention.
Money!
I'm listening.
You had me at sex.
Perfect.
Even at this moment of recording, this doesn't mean you have to be fully positioned. Why? Because you want the best average in on strength. If this breaks over 27 to 28 cents, you should be looking to finish your full size, but regardless, do not chase, only strategize. Scaling helps reduce risk and increase flexibility. You're not panicking on red days like most people because you're not fully in yet, and you've got bullets left to fire when the real move starts. So here's what I'm watching now. If we can hold above this 24 cents range and get a clean move over 26.5, momentum can really kick in, and I'm talking a potential move towards 33 cents. And if volume sustains, 39 cents is on the table. But if we reject and fall back into the wedge, that's fine for me personally. I'll let it consolidate a little bit more. Just make sure you manage your risks tightly, because in pennies, you only need one solid runner to make the week. Now I gotta shout out the Discord real quick. My team already had eyes on this before I even posted anything on Twitter or YouTube. We spotted the wedge, mapped the levels, and built a strategic plan. That's why being in the community matters. You're not reacting, you're simply preparing. And I want you guys watching to win as well. I'm not gonna be selfish with good setups like this, which is why I'm dropping this breakdown today. But just know, if you want earlier access, trade plans, and breakdowns like this daily that you do not see anywhere else, you know where to find us. So to wrap this up, ticker symbol ABP is looking strong. If you're swinging pennies, Focus on structure, focus on levels, and most importantly, protect your capital. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below if you're watching this late and already caught some profits. Let me know your price targets, and I'll see you guys in the next video.